Good morning friends, my name is Siddhi Bhatia and today I'll show you the dissection of a hibiscus flower.
Let's start the dissection of a flower. So we all know that the flower has four holes. First hole is known as hole of sepals called calyx. Second hole is hole of petals called corolla. And third hole is the hole of stamens collectively known as androecium. Fourth is the hole of carpels collectively known as gynoecium. So we can say that this flower has all four holes, so it is a complete flower. So now let's start. First is epicalyx. Epicalyx is the extra hole of a flower. So you all can see this. This is epicalyx. Now let's take out this from a flower. So you all can see this, that these are epicalyx of a flower. So number of epicalyx are minimum 5 and maximum to 8. So in this flower there are 8 epicalyx. And now second one is calyx. None of sepals are free from each other. You can see sepals are united with each other, so it is a gamosepalous condition. These are sepals. So now let's take out this. You all can see I am done with it up then. Easily it is coming out from a flower. You can see these are sepals and there are 5 sepals. So you can see this is the first hole of a flower. Now second hole of a flower is petals. So you can see these petals are overlapping each other. So overlapping means petals. This one is overlapped with this and this one is with this, so on. Now let's take out this. You can see easily it is coming out. So now you can see that these are stamens. Stamens are fused together to form a tube-like structure known as staminal tube. This is staminal tube. So now let's see. That yellow one is pollen grains and stick with anther. You can see this. This tube-like structure is known as staminal tube. You can see this is staminal tube. This is filament, and at the tip of filament there is anther. So should be in the part of androecium. You can see it clearly, it is visible. This is also staminal tube. Now let's peel this. Inside that there is part of gynoecium. That means female part of a flower. So now you can see that this is gynoecium and this red one is stigma. You can see the stigma, there are 5 stigmas, you can see, and it is attached with a tube which is known as style. And these are this is ovary, and inside the ovary the ovules are visible. You can see. And this is the male part. Now when you see closely, that anther has the shape of lobe of a kidney. When you see it closely, it is clearly visible, the shape of anther. Anthers are attached with filaments. This is staminal tube, and inside the staminal tube there is an innermost hole of carpel. Now let's label this. This is stigma. This is style. This is ovary. And inside that there is ovules present. Now let's label the male part. This is staminal tube. And this is filament. And at the tip of filament there is anther, inside which pollen grains are present. So this is our dissection of flower. Thank you.